Alright, what's up? I'm Ayan, and today I'm going to show you an official way to play your mobile games on your PC, which is very great. For this, we are going to be using Google Play Games Beta. This is the take mobile gaming to your PC. To install Google Play Games Beta, first of all, we need to go to this website. Link will be given in the description. Simply go there and hit minimum requirements. Here you will see these are the minimum requirements that your PC should have in order to run these Google Play games on your PC. After you have seen the minimum requirements which are listed right here, the main feature here is the hardware virtualization, which I will show you in the end of the video how to turn it on. So first of all, go here and hit download beta, hit save, and this will now download the setup. Wait for the setup to download, open it up, and all we have to do is just hit install in the default settings, or you can see wherever you want to install the Google Play games. I am going with the default settings. Now all we have to do is wait for it to download the Google Play games on our system, and then we get to play our mobile games right here. So after the installation is complete, the setup will close on itself, but don't worry, it will open it up. Just wait for a few minutes. If it doesn't open it up, go to your start menu, just like here. You will see this is the Google Play games installed. You can also check it on your desktop. Now it has opened on my system. Let's full size it. Here we need to check some settings first. There is nothing to change here. Now all we need to do is sign in with Google. Everyone has a Google account and you should sign with it, whichever is signed on your phone. I'm going with my original Google account. Okay, now I have signed in, which says we can safely close the window. Yep, this is my profile. Don't look it up because I won't be accepting any request or something like that. Just hit finish. Everything is just automatic. So if you want to install settings, we need to turn on hardware virtualization, which I will show you in the end of the video how to turn it on. First of all, I'm going to show you how to download your games. For this, you'll see this is the home menu. You see all the games that are available for our system. If you go and check out all the games in the explore menu, you will see these are all the games that we can download. I have played Clash of Clans for a long time, so I can also play Clash of Clans on my phone, on my PC now. Well, if you go and check only the games that are available for your PC, here we have Clash of Clans available, we have Clash Royale, we have a lot of games available. This is I have to tell you that this is in beta version, so which means more games are coming soon. You can check it out in advance if you want to play mobile games on your PC. I hope PUBG or Free Fire comes along. So in the library we can see other games that we have already on. Okay, in the home menu we have a lot of things. Oh, you can see this is a now I'm going to show you how to play most of the games. We need to turn on additional settings, which are, oh, I have Asphalt 9 as well here. Nice, I love this game. Well, this is the first time I'm checking this out anyways. Let's go ahead and download this game. just for telling you how to install it. Just hit install and you will be good to go if you have turned on hardware virtualization. So there is nothing else I must show you right here. Now let's go ahead and show you how to turn on hardware virtualization so you are able to play these games on your PC. Simply just close everything right here. And now turn off your PC or laptop, whichever one you are using. Now go to your BIOS setup. Look up your manufacturer's website to know where is the BIOS setup. I am going to BIOS setups. In configuration, you will see there is an option for Intel virtualization technology. This depends if you have an AMD chip, there must be something else. Simply turn on the virtual related option and then restart your PC. Now whenever it starts up, the virtual system will be turned on and you will be able to install and play all those Google Play games on your PC. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Take care. Goodbye.